strong the wind is. The wind got my cap. Hi everyone and welcome back. I'm going to a place called Makalidurga, 60 kilometers outside Bangalore towards Doddaballapur. You need to purchase a ticket to trek available on the website called My Eco Trip. I've been a little bit delayed. I woke up at 6 o'clock and then I went back to sleep and I was wondering whether to go or not. Anyway, here I am. So another half an hour and I'll be there. I've reached the board here that says Makalidurga, and you can see the mountain in the backdrop. It says parking free, but parking seems to be rather full here. So you need to cross these railway tracks to get to the other side. And there's a entry point where you have to show the tickets. I'm just starting on the trail, and behind me there was a group of people who turned up here without the tickets, and they don't let you through if you don't have the tickets. So the trail, he said, is well marked. There are these arrows directing you upward. So he says just to follow the arrows. So behind me is the Makalidurga mountain, and this trek is about 4 kilometers and it says it's a medium difficulty trek. To me it doesn't seem too bad compared to some of the other treks I've done, and hopefully should be able to complete it in about 2 hours. So right on top there's supposed to be a fort, a really old fort from the Vijayanagara period again, and the mountain, or the top of this is supposed to be at about 1100 meters above sea level, so not too high, not too low either. Seems to be quite a way to go before I get there. Unlike a lot of the other treks that I've been on, this one is supposed to be more kind of open spaces and a lot more greenery. So here the trail turns off towards the mountain and looks like it's heading through a gradual incline to the forest there before going to the top. Looks like I'm walking along a water trail, so I guess if it's been raining then this would be full of water. Since this is quite close to Bangalore, about 60 kilometers away, it's quite a popular destination for trekkers, especially in newbies, because it's not too difficult. I'm getting some really lovely views of the lake below from here. Now I just realized, unfortunately, my battery is somehow dying out. There's only 10% remaining, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get the rest of this trek. Spectacular view of the lake, very scenic from where I'm sitting. I think I'm about halfway through to top, but lovely views from here. The lake below is called Doddaballapur Lake. Never heard of that. You can see behind me, it's quite breezy. It's really windy actually. So it's not too hot. Nice chill feeling. A lot of people seem to have come here early in the morning around 6 o'clock. That's the lake. So here I was trying to give a brief history of the fort, but the wind noise was too strong. Anyway, the fort on top of Makalidurga was constructed during the Vijayanagara period, but it was taken over by Shahaji Bhosle, who was the father of Chhatrapati Shivaji, and then it was recaptured sometime by Kempagowda. There is also a temple right on top, which was used as a place for penance by the great Markandeya Rishi. And also in the 1800s, this place was used as a storage or a granary storage by the Palegar Makaliraya, from where the name Makalidurga is supposed to have originated. Reached on top of the fort right now. It's quite windy. I don't know if you're able to listen to anything I'm saying, but it's quite a ruined fort. There's not much on top other than the fortification, the walls around it. I can't see any rooms or buildings over here, but the views are pretty amazing, and there are a lot of people here. I'm just trying to avoid people and get away somewhere a little less crowded. There seems to be quite a few tracks along the way, and it's you can take your own trail and walk around here and discover some of the locations that seem to be quite cut off from the rest. I'm going to try and head up there. The wind is blowing the things up. So the wind got my cap. 1 minute it was there, the next minute it is gone. once you reach up here, the views and the experience is truly rewarding. It's a very relaxing feeling once you get on top, and because it's not too far from Bangalore, I think it's like an ideal getaway spot if you want a quick outing outside Bangalore. Okay, I'm back at the starting point. It's taken me slightly under 2 hours. I'm done with the trek and now I'm heading back. So I've just got back from the trek and I'd finished it in about 2 hours. About almost an hour to get on top and then look around, and then about half an hour to head back. So that's it. Makalidurga is off the list. Hopefully see you in the next video. Take care.